Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating topic. Make them think about you all day, every day. This concept is deeply intertwined with the law of attraction, which suggests that our thoughts and intentions shape our reality. The purpose of this video is to help you understand how to attract the thoughts and attention of others, creating a magnetic presence that draws people to you. At the heart of the law of attraction lies the importance of mindset and intention. When you focus your thoughts on what you desire, you send out vibrations into the universe that can resonate with others. This means that by cultivating a positive and confident mindset, you can influence how people perceive and think about you. It's all about aligning your energy with your intentions. Throughout this video, you can expect to learn various meditation techniques designed to enhance your ability to attract thoughts from others. We'll explore practices that help you center your mind, visualize your goals, and project the energy you want to emit. By the end of this session, you'll have practical tools to not only make others think about you, but also to foster deeper connections and relationships. So stay tuned as we unlock the secrets of the law of attraction and how you can harness it to become unforgettable. The law of attraction is a powerful universal principle that suggests that like attracts like. At its core, this concept posits that our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs can shape our reality. Essentially, what we focus on and emit into the universe will return to us in various forms, influencing our experiences and relationships. This means that if we cultivate positive thoughts and emotions, we are more likely to attract positive outcomes. One of the fundamental ideas behind the law of attraction is that our thoughts can significantly influence our reality. When we maintain a positive mindset, we not only enhance our own well-being, but also create an inviting energy that draws others toward us. For instance, if you consistently think about success and happiness, you are more likely to encounter opportunities and relationships that reflect those positive attributes. Consider the example of someone who practices gratitude daily. By focusing on what they appreciate in life, they naturally radiate positivity, which can attract friends, mentors, and even romantic partners who resonate with that same energy. Conversely, negative thoughts can lead to a cycle of attracting undesirable situations and relationships. In summary, the law of attraction emphasizes the importance of our internal landscape. By nurturing positive thoughts and feelings, we can create a reality filled with uplifting experiences and meaningful connections. Embracing this principle can truly transform how we interact with the world around us. In this section, we'll explore effective meditation techniques that can help you attract thoughts from others and enhance your overall presence. Meditation is a powerful tool for sharpening your focus and setting clear intentions, both of which are essential for harnessing the law of attraction. One popular meditation style is mindfulness meditation, where you focus on your breath and observe your thoughts without judgment. This practice helps you become more aware of your mental patterns, allowing you to shift your focus toward positive thoughts that can attract others. Another effective technique is visualization meditation, where you imagine yourself surrounded by the attention and admiration of those you wish to connect with. By vividly picturing these scenarios, you send strong signals to the universe about your desires. To incorporate these practices into your daily routine, consider setting aside just 10 to 15 minutes each day for meditation. You can start your morning with a mindfulness session to set a positive tone for the day, or end your evening with visualization to reinforce your intentions. Creating a peaceful environment is crucial for effective meditation. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed, and consider adding calming elements like soft lighting, soothing music, or even essential oils. This serene atmosphere will help you relax and focus, making it easier to attract the thoughts and attention you desire. By integrating these meditation techniques into your life, you'll be well on your way to becoming a magnet for positive connections. Visualization is a crucial component of the law of attraction, as it allows you to create vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. By clearly envisioning what you want, you send powerful signals to the universe, aligning your energy with your intentions. This practice not only enhances your focus, but also helps you manifest the thoughts and attention of others. To effectively visualize your intentions, start by finding a quiet space where you can relax without distractions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Next, think about the specific outcome you desire. Whether it's making someone think about you, attracting new friendships, or enhancing your professional relationships. Imagine the details of this scenario as vividly as possible. What do you see, hear, and feel? Picture the emotions associated with this connection and allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience. Once you have created this mental image, hold on to it for a few minutes, reinforcing the positive feelings it evokes. To achieve better results, consistency is key. Make visualization a daily practice, dedicating time each morning or evening to revisit your intentions. The more you visualize, the stronger the connection between your thoughts and the reality you wish to create. Over time, this practice will help you attract the attention and thoughts of others, making your desired connections a reality. Embrace the power of visualization and watch as your intentions begin to manifest in your life. Affirmations play a vital role in reinforcing your desire to be thought of by others, acting as powerful tools to shape your mindset and attract the attention you seek. By consistently repeating positive statements, you can rewire your subconscious mind, fostering a belief in your ability to connect with others and draw them toward you. Here are some powerful affirmations you can incorporate into your daily routine. I am a magnet for positive connections. People are drawn to my energy and presence, and I effortlessly attract the thoughts and attention of those around me. By repeating these affirmations each day, you begin to shift your mindset, cultivating a sense of confidence and openness that naturally invites others to engage with you. To maximize the impact of your affirmations, consider personalizing them to reflect your unique desires and circumstances. For example, if you want to strengthen a specific relationship, you might say, I nurture meaningful connections with person's name, and they think of me fondly. Tailoring your affirmations makes them more relevant and powerful, enhancing their effectiveness. Incorporate these affirmations into your morning routine or write them down in a journal. The key is consistency. The more you affirm your intentions, the more you align your energy with attracting the thoughts and attention of others. Embrace the transformative power of affirmations and watch as your connections deepen and flourish in your life. Cultivating a positive energy field is essential for drawing the thoughts and attention of others. When you maintain a positive attitude, you not only enhance your own well-being, but also create an inviting atmosphere that attracts people to you. A positive energy field acts like a magnet, encouraging others to engage with you and think of you fondly. To enhance your personal energy and charisma, consider incorporating activities that uplift your spirit. Regular exercise, for instance, releases endorphins, boosting your mood and energy levels. Engaging in creative pursuits, such as painting, dancing, or writing, can also help you express yourself and radiate positivity. Additionally, practicing gratitude daily can shift your focus from what's lacking to what you appreciate, further enhancing your positive energy. Surrounding yourself with positivity is equally important. Spend time with supportive friends and family who uplift you and encourage your growth. Engaging in conversations with like-minded individuals can foster a sense of community and belonging, amplifying your positive energy. You might also consider decluttering your environment, as a clean and organized space can significantly impact your mood and mindset. By consciously cultivating a positive energy field, you create an environment that naturally draws others in. Remember, the energy you emit influences how others perceive you. Embrace positivity in your thoughts, actions, and surroundings, and watch as your connections deepen and flourish, making you unforgettable in the minds of those around you. Incorporating the techniques of meditation, visualization, and affirmations into your daily life can significantly enhance your ability to attract the thoughts and attention of others. Here are some practical tips to help you establish a consistent practice that aligns with the law of attraction. First, set aside dedicated time each day for meditation and visualization. Whether it's in the morning to start your day with intention or in the evening to reflect on your experiences, aim for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Find a quiet space where you can relax and focus, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the process. This commitment will help you cultivate a deeper connection with your intentions. Next, consider journaling your thoughts and experiences related to the law of attraction. Writing down your affirmations, visualizations, and any insights you gain can reinforce your practices and track your progress. Journaling also provides a space for reflection, helping you identify patterns and shifts in your mindset over time. Lastly, remember that patience and persistence are key. The law of attraction is not an overnight solution. It requires consistent effort and belief in your intentions. Stay committed to your daily practices, even when results may not be immediately visible. Trust the process and remain open to the possibilities that unfold. By integrating these practical tips into your daily routine, you'll create a powerful foundation for attracting the thoughts and connections you desire. As we wrap up this exploration of attracting thoughts from others, let's recap the key points we've discussed. The law of attraction is a powerful principle that emphasizes how our thoughts and intentions shape our reality. By harnessing meditation techniques such as mindfulness and visualization, you can enhance your ability to connect with others and draw their attention toward you. We've highlighted the importance of maintaining a positive mindset and the transformative power of visualization. By creating vivid mental images of your desired outcomes and consistently affirming your intentions, you can align your energy with what you wish to attract. Remember, the energy you emit plays a crucial role in how others perceive and think about you. We encourage you to incorporate these practices into your daily routine, whether through meditation, journaling, or surrounding yourself with positivity. The journey of attracting thoughts and connections takes patience and persistence, but the rewards can be truly fulfilling. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to engage with our content. Please subscribe to our channel for more insights on the law of attraction and personal development. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from these techniques. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.